Hi, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to show you the third cocktail in a row from the Weekend Mixologist off Instagram. This one seems like a relatively easy cocktail to create, easy one to remember. It's a combination of a dark rum or an aged rum, cognac, or in my case I'm using a brandy, raspberry syrup and lemon. Nice easy measurements, 30, 30, 15, 15. So let's get cracking. Today I'm going to use Untold rum. So this is a Caribbean rum. It's a bit of a collaboration between some spirit producers and some Melbourne bartenders. So 1 ounce, 30 mils. So this has got notes of vanilla, clove, orange, caramel, so it's going to be nice and delicious. I've chosen the spice rum in this one to add a little bit of complexity to the drink, as well as a little bit of sort of caramel, toffee, sweetness, which I think will go quite nicely. Then next ingredient, cognac, or in my case, brandy. So this is a Australian brandy, 1 ounce, 30 mils. So half an ounce, 15 mils of your raspberry syrup. Then last ingredient, fresh lemon juice. Same again, half an ounce, 15 mils. This one is going to be served on crushed ice, which is going to add some additional dilution to the drink. So crushed ice straight into the glass, not quite to the top, and strain straight in. Then you can top it up. Then finish it with a fresh sprig of mint. So there you have the Quaker cocktail. Cheers. Definitely can taste that raspberry syrup, undertones of those spices from the rum. This rum actually works really well. Super citrusy and refreshing. I really quite like this. Nice and simple, super tasty. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out the Weekend Mixologist on Instagram and give us a follow as well. Cheers.